I'm Polly Bath, and I help schools across the country manage and intervene with behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. Here goes. I kept a kid in for recess so we could talk about his behavior in my class. But then his behavior got even worse. I think he likes staying in with me for recess. How do I undo this? Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you how many times I've done this myself. I love that you're keeping the kid in for recess to talk about the behavior and to problem solve that. Because oftentimes we keep kids in for recess and we have them do the work that they missed, which has nothing to do with their behavior. So it's kind of a waste of our time. So love that. But the other thing is what you've just done is kind of a functional behavioral assessment, which is a good thing. You've looked at what's the function of this behavior. Clearly, it's that one-on-one time with you. This is an instance of what we call unconditional attention. What we've learned about this child is that somewhere in their life, they just don't have that type of connection. And as we know, we all went through school, and we often don't remember the teachers who really drilled the curriculum into our head. We remember the teachers who gave us the time of day. And so when you keep this kid on for recess, you're giving them the time of day. And if that's something they really need, then you're going to have to give it to them not as a result of their behavior. So I'm going to keep you in for recess, and I'm going to say to you, we're talking about that behavior, but then I'm going to say to you, so here, let's problem solve, because that's what we're doing, problem solving with kids. So as we do that, I'm going to say to the child, so hey, you know what I'm thinking might be a good idea now that we've had this conversation, and I know that you can change what's happening in the classroom. I know you can. I know you don't have to be that disruptive. I know that. And so we're going to talk about how this week works. So you and I, lunch on Friday, all right? And we're going to go over our week and see how things are going. And then you can say on lunch on Friday, all right, how about lunch on Wednesday? And then we'll see how Monday and Tuesday went. See what you're doing? You're kind of sliding in that unconditional, we're going to keep working with you and help you problem solve, but we don't always need to do it as a result of your behavior. Thanks for that question. And if you have questions that you'd like to see in a future episode, please include those in the comments below.